So I actually ended up ordering this propane torch hose kit after helping one of my friends work on a project in his garage. Not gonna lie, I didn't realize how annoying some torch setups were until I used this one because we were trying to work in this tight little area, and normally you got the gas cylinder attached to the torch head, so you're constantly twisting your wrist into like weird angles, or honestly just dragging the whole tank around with you. But he pulls this torch kit with the hose attached, and immediately I noticed how much easier it was to maneuver. The hose was long enough where the cylinder could stay off to the side while we worked, which honestly really made the whole setup feel way less awkward, right? Then the other thing I liked was the ignition. Instead of needing one of those separate striker tools and doing the whole click, click, click routine, y'all know what I'm talking about. This thing had a push button start built in. Sounds small, but when you're in the middle of working on something, convenience matters. Okay? And he showed me how you could adjust the flame size and the heat intensity separately too. So whether you need a more controlled flame for precision work or a stronger heat output, you can dial it in instead of being stuck with one setting, right? So after that, I ended up going home and ordering one from Amazon because I could already think of multiple situations where this would come in handy. Garage work, heating bowls, soldering, random, DIY stuff around the house. Now, obviously, I'm not saying everybody needs a torch kit or that this replaces, professional equipment for every single job. This is just something that stood out to me from actually using it firsthand, right? But if you do a lot of DIY projects or automotive work, welding, soldering, or just, want a more flexible torch setup that's easier to work with in tight spaces, then this honestly might be worth looking into, right? I definitely at least check it out. Peace out.